Welcome to my channel, and today we're counting down our picks for the 6 reasons Bitcoin can change your life. Whether you have read about wild success stories of people making millions of dollars or viral horror stories of people losing millions of dollars, it is clear that Bitcoin has been creeping into the limelight over the past few years. Believe it or not, we're still in the early adoption phase, but not for long. As Bitcoin boomed over the past year, major Bitcoin news outlets from CNBC to Bloomberg have created their own business branches to commentate exclusively on cryptocurrency. These are major companies who do not take such actions on a whim. Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies as a whole are here to stay. If you purchased Bitcoin over the past 9 years at any time, other than those 4 to 5 months, you would have gained huge profits. So today, we're discussing the 6 ways why Bitcoin can change your life. But what is Bitcoin really? Putting all technical jargon aside, Bitcoin is an opportunity to make money. It should be viewed like any other investment asset. If you are reading this article and have yet to take any action, I can confidently tell you that you're missing out. The crazy ROI potential for Bitcoin will not be here forever. Many skeptics believe that Bitcoin investors are buying into the hype, when in reality, there are logical reasons behind the revolution that they failed to see. Number 1, it's outperforming every other asset class. At the time of the pandemic, we are in the middle of what we call a bear market. This means the entire cryptocurrency market has suffered a major fall, retracing down 70% from its all-time high. Bitcoin, the king of all cryptocurrencies, has suffered a loss of 67%. Some cryptocurrencies even had their prices decrease as much as 96%. That's crazy and unseen. However, zooming out to a big picture, it is clear that Bitcoin rises year after year. For example, if you bought Bitcoin anywhere from 2009 to mid-2017, you would currently be up 500 to 5,000% or more. If you bought earlier, your profits may be in the thousands or tens of thousands of percents. The only time you would be down is if you bought in the window from around November 2017 to March 2018, when Bitcoin prices rose to $20,000. Read that again. If you purchased Bitcoin over the past 9 years at any time, other than those 4 to 5 months, you would have gained huge profits. So even with the recent downtrend, why should you still be optimistic about investing in cryptocurrencies? One of the reasons is that for new investors looking to make an entry, this downtrend has created a solid foundation for future growth and profits. History shows that Bitcoin comes back stronger after it dips. That's also the case for other cryptocurrencies called altcoins. Despite this recent market decline, altcoins provided considerable returns to its investors far beyond most other investment channels that exist. To illustrate, we took 5 of the most popular stocks over the past 5 years and compared them to Bitcoin. Even the sum total of their ROIs was no match for Bitcoin. Number 2, the future is paperless. Banking the unbanked. Being unbanked is a major setback. And guess what? There are over 2 billion people unbanked in the world today. The main reasons behind unbanked countries are corruption, politics, and poverty. Many of these unbanked societies do not let their people bank internationally and offer limited banking options. Thanks to cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, anyone with access to the internet can avoid this oppression by taking part in this decentralized revolution. Cryptocurrencies by nature are decentralized, meaning that no authority can restrict it and anyone can access it. The result is freedom for anyone to send and receive money, in this case Bitcoin, wherever and whenever they want. Taking things a step further, there are also decentralized applications which allow users to take part in loaning money, receiving loans, and interacting with the outside world. Unlike government-backed currencies, cryptocurrency is much more difficult to confiscate. It puts financial power back into the hands of people. One recent example is the current financial crisis in Venezuela. With value of the national currency deflating, people are trying to escape with whatever possessions and wealth they have. Unfortunately, it has been reported that the government confiscated any valuable goods they can in the process, such as gold and silver. If everyone had crypto, then the government would have no means to confiscate it. Additionally, the people of Venezuela would be able to send their digital assets to friends and family in a global, digital, and private fashion. Some cryptocurrencies are designed to be anonymous and private. It is these 2 factors that put the power back into people's hands. It's cheaper to use. It dramatically reduces fees due to the lack of intermediaries. With cryptocurrencies, you can send transactions to anyone through the blockchain without the need of a bank or any trusted third party. Avoiding third parties is what keeps the fees low. Having a global system with minimal fees helps traders, investors, merchants, and those who send money to their families abroad. During a recent taxi ride, I was discussing crypto with the driver when he mentioned that he sends money to Afghanistan every week to his family. I found this to be amazing. Keep in mind the alternative, Western Union. They are one of the largest regulated services offering global transfers, taking a commission of up to 15% with each transfer. Meanwhile, cryptocurrency fees are less than 0.5%, sometimes less than 0.1%. For example, someone managed to transfer 99 million's worth of cryptos for a fee of only 40 cents. Number 3. Industry leaders are joining. Google is currently working on its own blockchain to improve its cloud service offerings. Amazon has recently launched its service that will allow businesses to launch their own blockchain with little effort. Companies such as Expedia, Overstock, and Shopify have started to accept cryptocurrency payments. Many countries have launched or plan on launching their own cryptocurrency. That's the case for Venezuela and its controversial cryptocurrency, the Petro. If you pay attention, you will notice that more and more businesses are diving into the cryptocurrency industry and using its technology. Don't be discouraged. There are still great opportunities ahead. The entire space is expanding rapidly, and you will regret it all your life if you miss out. Number 4. The cryptocurrency space runs off passion. The crypto space is a mix of people from all different backgrounds and stages of life. Cryptocurrency is a new form of finance based on blockchain, a new technology. Hence, cryptocurrency is classified to be part of the fintech industry, which generally attracts entrepreneurs, financial experts, venture capital investors, researchers, engineers, and developers. What makes cryptocurrency distinct from other aspects of traditional fintech is its culture. Since it's essentially a decentralized payment network, putting power back into the hands of the people, many have joined the industry for both philosophical and practical reasons. For example, Bitcoin symbolizes freedom. Thus, a lot of people with strong political and humanitarian beliefs are in the space. Compared to investing in stocks, cryptocurrencies are easily accessible to anyone who wishes to invest. There are virtually no barriers to entry. When investing in stocks, most brokerage accounts require a minimum of $500+ to start, in addition to monthly fees of around $15 a month. Sometimes monthly fees can be avoided, but you need to maintain a higher balance and a certain level of activity. On the other hand, cryptocurrency exchanges have negligible trading fees and zero monthly maintenance fees. You can invest in as much or as little as you would like and trade as frequently as you would like with no consequences. Mining serves as a new phenomenon in the technology world. Miners are those who contribute to maintaining the blockchain using their computer's power. Most of them started mining to earn extra money in their basement when they were students. Mining is now a huge business that continues to flourish. So despite the existing middle-aged fintech population, the cryptocurrency space is overall very young, intelligent, and forward-thinking. This is why you will often see people making fun of the cryptocurrency industry. More often than not, these jokes are out of ignorance. As a result of having a younger audience, the crypto industry resonates a youthful vibe. Through new slang and entertainment, the community has a good sense of humor. As far as the crypto industry creating its own fun jargon, HODL is a well-known word which you'll see everywhere in the space during a bear market, when it's going down. HODL means something similar to hold it firmly, it's going to increase in value eventually. Number 5. People of all ages became rich. Some people became extremely wealthy after they invested some money into Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies. Since there is no barrier of entry, people of all ages, even college students, hit it big. Why can't you? The best opportunities are behind us. For example, back in 2010, a Bitcoin holder famously purchased 2 pizzas for 10,000 Bitcoin. This demonstrated the massive spike in price that took place since 2010. Imagine how well 2010 investors did. Don't be discouraged. There are still great opportunities ahead. The entire space is expanding rapidly, and you will regret it all your life if you miss out. Number 6. Now may be the time to buy. This is exactly when new, inexperienced investors are afraid to buy in, while those who understand the markets are prepared to surf the next wave. While it's virtually impossible to buy the very bottom of every market cycle, it is reasonable to assume that major market corrections make for good buying opportunities. According to our research, it seems we are nearing the end of the decline and ready to buy back in. These are our best picks. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell to be notified about our latest videos. Do you agree? Tell us in the comment section below and check out our description to reach directly to us through our social media. Thanks for watching our video.